Stand mixers are one must-have kitchen appliance, especially for those who have an interest in baking. Stand mixers are not used for a specific purpose but can help in daily kitchen use. Most importantly, why put your energy into mixing ingredients manually when you can afford an electric stand mixer? Kitchen experts must be familiar with the fact that a sizable stand mixer can cost a lot. But few stand mixer models provide excellent performance and consist capabilities more than they cost. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Kitchen Ever-Present Top 5 Best Stand Mixer Under $100. Let's get started. Number 5. KitKat Household Stand Mixers. If you are searching for a stand mixer, the KitKat stand mixer review on our list is ideal for you. KitKat Kitchen Food Mixer is manufactured according to the strictest standard. After several years of adjustment and testing, KitKat has achieved an industry breakthrough in the low noise experience of the stand mixers. With overload and overheat protection design, the bottom of the fuselage can be multi-directional cold and hot air convection heat, long service life. With a decent pure copper high-performance motor, the dough mixer copes well with tough doughs. Saves time to help in the kitchen for those who love cooking. This multifunctional household stand mixers will be welcomed by your friends and family as a sweet gift. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Classic Stand. The next product we have got on our list is the Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer. Lightweight hand mixer easily detaches from the base for extra mixing versatility to tackle any baking recipe. With 290 watts peak power and 6 adjustable speeds, plus quick burst, you can tailor your kitchen mixer to take on any task at hand, from a fast whip to a slow stir. Bowl rest feature allows the hand mixer to sit on the edge of the bowl to eliminate messy drips. The shift and stir feature rotates the bowl for thorough mixing. This hand and stand mixer comes with a stainless steel bowl large enough to accommodate your favorite recipes while still fitting comfortably into your dishwasher. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. If you're looking for a stand mixer under $100 with Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Stand Mixer comes with 3 attachments for mixing versatility, including a dough hook, whisk and flat beater, and its 7 mixing speeds take you from slowly folding ingredients on the first speed all the way up to whipping at top speed. It has the same planetary mixing action as KitchenAid stand mixers and provides complete bowl coverage for thorough, hands-free mixing. Same mixing action as KitchenAid stand mixers. Mixing action gives complete bowl coverage, powerful 300-watt motor and 7 speeds for maximum flexibility. The durable stainless steel 4 quarts bowl withstands year after year of mixing and comes with a removable splatter shield. The tilt-up head is easily moved up and out of your way. Number 2. Cuppet Stand Mixer. More than 2,000 5-star reviews praise the Cuppet Stand Mixer for its portability. The tilt head design mixer allows access to install or uninstall bowl and accessories easily. The mixer has a stainless steel decoration belt and blue LED light as power indicator. Anti-slip silicone suction cups keep the mixer steady. Precise 8-speed controller lets you choose from a slow stir to a fast mix, perfectly suitable to different ingredients. 4.7 QT stainless steel bowl, wire whip, dough hook, flat beater, and splash guard. Stainless bowl, wire whip and beater are dishwasher safe. Please do not put dough hook into dishwasher. 3 attachments are easily secured to the shaft, adding mixing versatility to any job, allowing you to cook at great ease and convenience. Number 1. Dash Speed Stand Mixer. The Dash Stand Mixer are the best stand mixer under $100 under cabinet you can buy this year. Sweet or savory, the Dash Stand Mixer is your perfect kitchen accessory for frosting, meringue, creamy dressings, doughs, baked goods and more. Weighing less than 5 pounds, and standing only 10.4 tall, the Dash Stand Mixer fits underneath most kitchen cabinets, perfect for that first apartment, smaller kitchen. This portable, compact mixer packs a punch with a 250-watt motor and 6 different speed options ranging low to high to whip, beat or knead with even, uniform results. The fully tilting motor head makes removing the mixing bowl and ejecting the beaters or dough hooks easy, no more mess. Plus, the retro design and variety of trendy colors options will accent any kitchen.